I can't seem to find a good loadout for me. What's that? New character? Oh no. I guess I'll try her out.
Choose your character.
I had to make this for copyright issue. To make this easier for Tessa, we're gonna have her pick one
Grenade.
one
Melee.
one main gun.
Pause right there. I didn't explain this in the intro, but the main guns are 5 weight and above. And the sidekicks are 4 weight and below.
And one sidekick gun. We're gonna have Tessa pick the melee weapon first.
Oh, Tessa, pick a melee. Pick a melee. Go. 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 Tessa, go. 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 Alright, what's she gonna pick? What'd she pick? She picked grappler.
Next up, Tessa's gonna pick the grenade. For the sake of the video, I took out shurikens and cannon because they cost too much weight.
Pick one. Smoke grenade. Tessa picked smoke grenade.
Now we're gonna have Tessa pick the main gun, which don't forget is 5 weight and above.
Pick one, Tess. Pick one. I think Mojo's gonna pick one. The AR. Tessa didn't want to pick one. She didn't feel like it. So we're gonna have the AR because Mojo picked it.
Sorry about that, guys. My dog is getting a lot older and sometimes she doesn't want to eat food. So I'm just gonna have the other dog, which is Mojo, and he's gonna eat the food for the next one, and like he did for this one.
Go, go, eat, 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 eat. Pick a food. Pick a food. Eat. Revolver.
I figured out a huge problem when I was about to record the video. So basically, smoke grenade is 1 weight, and right now the loadout costs 13 weight, and you're only supposed to have 12 weight. So we can't do that. But since I'm good at fixing things, we're gonna have Mojo repick the sidekick, and we're only gonna have 3 weight and under.
Tessa wanted to pick one this time, so go. Pick one. Pick one. Tessa, go. Go.
Oh.
Which one? Middle. What is middle? Pistol.
Now that we got the loadout, which is pistol, AR, smoke grenade, and hookshot, we're gonna go straight into it.
Game 1.
Alright, this guy
Match
says he
starting.
wins 90% of this game, so we better lock in. He was right. He's really good. Better lock in. I gotta lock in. Better lock in. Better lock in. Better lock in. Better lock in.
Round starting.
Oh, that katana.
You're telling me I spent time making this loadout for you? You better
lock
And you
in,
just
Miss
lose
Rose.
every game? It's time for me to lock in. You better
Yeah.
lock in, mister.
My dog like ate kibble, and every time she ate kibble,
If you don't lock in,
that's like the weapon.
you better lock. Remember everything Tessa's taught you. This is your last shot. Take it or leave it. You listen to me. Now win this game.
95 forward. Well, I was first match down. This guy's really good.
Do you even care about me? You're losing with the loadout I made you.
So I don't know.
Round starting.
I don't know how this one's gonna go. Ah, your aim is. I'm never giving you a loadout again unless you win the next game.
Dang, you're good. Go, Tessa, pick a melee. Tessa, go. Melee, go.
Why? Why did this have to happen to me? I think the only way to make it up to Tessa is to win one game. I better win this one. Obviously, I can't do this on my own because I know. Suck at 1v1s. So we're gonna be playing with Cooley BR, and Lemon is gonna be playing with us too. I'm sorry guys, but the next three games, I didn't have my voice in them. For some reason, the video recording didn't put my voice in it. And if you made it this far, make sure to put in the comments, Tesla is a W.
When you're sleeping, your nose get clogged up and you guys die.
Yeah, all y'all gonna get put into these.
Rough, daddy.
Y'all gonna be my.
Black skin on with a bunny ears, and then you gotta hold there. Join team chat.
Round starting.
Somebody. What's that mean? Oh crap! I'm fighting the racists right now. I need y'all help. Alright, Ash, you're doing something. Yo, what? They're hacking. My controller just died midway through, but it was fully charged.
Toughness, let's go.
I'm using. I had to use my left hand because my right controller just died.
Round starting.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna lock in no matter what, though. We're good. You are not young. We're not tied. Watch from the back, teammate! I'm gonna cook, though. I'm gonna cook.
Bro is not cooking. You gotta lock in.
I don't know. Alright, Daddy.
Round starting.
Yo, it did like a perfect triangle. Yo. Get in. Some more time. Yo, I'm getting beams on the outside of that. Yo, plan went well. I definitely didn't just get beamed. Yo, I'm gonna hit more at least one. I'm really sorry my controller had to die midway through. Alright, do the same method.
Round starting.
Make it big. Make it spread out. Is that Wait, they're hacking, bro. They're hacking. They have an early release
Hacking up on these fog bombs, bro.
They're hacking. He has a golden sticky grenade that hasn't been released yet. He actually has a golden sticky grenade. Watch him, bro.
Round starting.
I do, but I don't have my right hand, so I'm just gonna get fried. Yo, why does it look like two big brown buttons? Yeah, I'm so cooked. Yo, I'm gonna lock in, chat. Yeah.
Dang, bro, she just got melee.
My right
Yo, bro, she
controller
just got
died.
melee.
Thank you guys for watching to the end. Make sure you subscribe. And right now, I'm going to put the Loadout in B+ tier.